In this video, we'll walk through the general process for replacing the crown gear on an above-floor slide-out system. Keep in mind that the specific slide-out assembly and its installation may affect how this procedure is performed. To begin, fully extend the slide-out. If the system isn't operating normally, a manual override may be required to get the slide room into position. Once extended, remove the interior trim and any components that obstruct access to the slide-out assembly. In many cases, especially when working on the drive side assembly, the slide room will need to be removed to properly access the crown gear. Support the weight of the slide room using a lift system, ensuring that tension is removed from the assembly. If you're using a forklift, make sure the exterior trim is removed or proper blocking is in place to prevent damage. A hydraulic jack system may also be used as a suitable alternative. Next, remove the outstop block using an Allen key. Once the stop block is out, continue extending the slide room until the hat assembly disengages from the drive body and the lift system is supporting the full weight of the room. With access to the drive components, use an Allen key to loosen the hex screws on the crown gear. Slide the crown gear out of position and remove the crown gear key, placing it aside for reinstallation. If you're working on a double rail system, remove the cross shaft bolt and slide the cross shaft away from the assembly to allow further access. Then, using a ratcheting socket wrench, remove the motor mounting bolts. Detach the motor and drive shaft and remove the damaged crown gear from the shaft. Before reassembling, take a moment to carefully inspect all related components, such as bushings and wear tabs for signs of damage or wear. Replace any damaged parts as needed to ensure proper function. To begin reassembly, slide the gear shaft into the drive body through the first bushing. Pause briefly to slide the new spur gear onto the shaft, then continue sliding the shaft through the second bushing. Align the motor's mounting holes with the drive body and secure it in place with the appropriate bolts. Reinsert the crown gear key into the slot on the gear shaft. Reposition the crown gear and tighten the hex screws to lock it in place. Once the drive assembly is complete, align the hat assembly with the drive body and carefully guide the slide room back into position. Ensure the rack on the hat assembly properly engages and aligns with the crown gear. When everything is aligned, press the retract switch to power the slide room inward, fully seating the hat assembly as the slide out retracts. After the slide room is fully retracted, reinstall the outstop block. Finally, test the slide out operation by extending and retracting it completely. Make sure the in and out stops are properly adjusted and verify that the bulb seal compresses evenly around the perimeter of the room in both the extended and retracted positions.